Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, which is at the very top. On the second position from the left, we've got the timer, which is, as you can see, currently turned off. So after tapping on it, we can check that we've got three additional options from which we can choose. So we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay, and all you have to do in order to set the the timer, all you have to do in order to set the timer is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 seconds, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly. We can check which countdown we've got set. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so let's check, for example, 2 seconds delay. Of course, all will work the same, simply the countdown time will be different. We can of course turn it off just by tapping on this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.